Hi, welcome to Osprey Reserve. I'd love to show you this 3,000 square foot, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a flex room downstairs that can be used as an office or a den. A great room. There's so much to see. My name is Jessica Seifert. I'm a real estate agent with X Elite Realty here in Tampa, Florida. Come with me. I'd love to take you on a tour and show you all the wonderful things this home has to offer. Why wait to build when you can buy this like-new home right now with low HOA and no CDD fees right here in Ruskin, Florida? This 2-story, 4-bedroom, and 2.5 bath, nearly 3,000 square foot home was built in 2021 by Lennar, and it is their Helena model. As we enter, notice the tall ceilings. Immediately to the left is the flex room, perfect as an office or den. This powder room or half bath is perfect for your guests. Notice the extra storage space under the stairwell. The entire downstairs is tiled for easy cleanup and provides comfort for all guests, whether 2 or 4-legged. The great room flows nicely into the dining room. And look at all of these kitchen cabinets, not to mention the built-in workspace, walk-in pantry, an extra long island for meal prep, and plenty of additional seating. The kitchen window has the perfect view of the backyard. And the patio door, it invites you to explore the large fenced-in backyard and newly installed extra-large pavered patio. More on this beautiful yard to come. Let's check out the upstairs. As we enter the area, notice the bright open loft. There's also additional closet space and a nicely sized laundry room. The owner's suite is quite large and provides a view of one of the ponds here in Osprey Reserve. The dual sink vanities in the bathroom are quite convenient to say the least, as well as the large walk-in closet. Let's go check out what the other bedrooms offer. There are 3 additional bedrooms in this split floor plan, all with their own windows and nicely sized closets. You will surely appreciate the second full bathroom having a separate door for the shower so that another family member can get ready at the vanity. Here's just a quick peek at bedrooms 2 and 3. Bedroom 4 is straight ahead, and we already saw that as we walked up the stairs. So, why are you going to love this home on a 0.23 acre corner lot? This is what I love most about this house. The current owner installed a water filtration system, a 6-foot privacy vinyl fence, and an enormous pavered patio. This home also has an option for an internal pest control system. Notice there's even a vegetable garden waiting for you to make it your own. A yard this size is built for relaxing when even a puppy will stop to smell the flowers along the way. If this big backyard isn't enough for you, know that less than 2 miles away is EG SImmons Park, perfect for picnics or launching your boat. And within a few minutes drive from here, you will find local grocery stores, golfing, tennis, waterfront restaurants, marinas, and the YMCA. Thank you for joining me on the tour today. This is Jessica Seifert with XO8 Realty. For results that move you, call 813-382-7187. I'd be happy to give you a personalized tour.